Okay, antique fan collectors. This is an Emerson black antique fan made from St. Louis. Don't exactly sure when this was made, but my dad got this for me at a hillbilly sale, along with a green fan right in there, and then that fan there and another fan in there, and the fan works pretty good. We've tested it out before, and it runs pretty smoothly with not much difference between the speeds, so I'll turn it on low speed now. And it's also an oscillator, but it's one of the motor oscillators. Wait, no, I see a little crank back there turning it. I'm not sure how to get it off. Pretty powerful fan, and it blows a really good amount of air at me, but not a lot of speed, so it don't go much faster than this on high. Now medium. And now high speed. And then that's what the switch looks like down there. It's one of them little slide switches. And here we are on high speed now. Oh, that feels nice. I'll tell you what, it's a good day to run this. It's really hot and humid today. And here's your window. Show you the switch again up in close view. And so it's just a slide switch that you just slide over there, and you can see the speeds for it and the spin down time. That was a pretty long spin down time on it. And I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and we're waiting some more. We're all waiting, and it finally stopped. And here's the Emerson electric thing on it. And I'll show you the back of the fan here. And there's a little bit of info here. It says Emerson Electric, St. Louis, Missouri, type 79648-SA, 115 volts. 60 cycles, 1.4 amps, made in the United States of America, and then something right there is really kind of faded out, like the black's paint scratched off, and I can't say for. Oh, I think it says for alternating current, because it says ALT and then current. I think it's supposed to say alternating. And then there's the base down there, and then I can't do a video of the other two fans we got. This fan, we tried to test it, and let's see, it's a Mastercraft fan. That's what it says here anyway. And here's the back of it. And if you look, and there's the switch for it, and then I zoom in here for you, and right there you can see a little orange fleck. That is exposed copper wiring that is touching, and when we plugged it in, there was a little spark in the plug-in, and it blew the fuse out. And we don't have circuit breakers because this house is so old. We have fuses, and we have these old glass fuses here. And now the one that really actually burned out is out in the living room. This is another one, just to show you an example. And then we put a newer one with a much newer one, and we put that in. And then, because that plug-in out there and this light are the same circuit, we turned this light and fan off, so nothing was on that circuit. And we had that new one in there, and we plugged it again, and the fan was in the off position. And same thing, it blew the new fuse that we put in it, so we had to put a third fuse in it. So, that fan's got a serious short in here. And then this little fan in here, I'll pull it out and show it to you. This is let's see. It says Knapp Electric Company, and it just got a single speed switch for it there. Sounds really, which sounds got a nice click. Yeah, I like that sound. And then this one, we don't know how it works, but whoops. The blades, the bearings inside it are kind of tight, so you give it a spin, and it just, as soon as you spin it, it just stops. You just try it. Yeah, see, it just stops really quickly, and the reason why we can't test that one is because the plug needs to be replaced. You don't got that little plastic grip in there, and so you can't get it into the wall socket without a safe place to touch it and unplug it as well. So that's why we can't take videos of these other two fans until we get an electrician to look at them and have these fixed. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. Bye.